Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. So you people are learned about the three types of data in Python. We have the numbers which can be a integer or which can be a float or which can be a boolean, that is true or false, or which can be a strings. Okay, so we refer to as a primitive data types in Python, guys. Okay, now in Python we have the bunch of complex data types as well. As also these complex data types are very useful in building the real applications. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the list, guys. Okay, we can use the list whenever we want to represent a list of objects, like list of numbers, list of items, or list of names. Okay, let me show you. So I am going to declare a variable called name, names, names. Okay, and set it to a list of the names. So here we can add the square bracket to represent the list, guys. How we can then now we can add the one or more object inside this list, guys. Okay, in this list we can add the bunch of names like Sudhakar, add the quotations Sudhakar, and separated by comma, and add the another object called Pratap, 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 then add semicolon, not a colon, that is called a comma, then add the quotations Kumari, then add the comma and quotations. We will say the next item Parvati, then we will add the quotations, and you can say another name called Parmeshwara. Okay, Parashwara, Parmeshwara. Okay, these are the elements. These are the elements in the list. The list name is called names, guys. Okay, I will going to print using the print function, print names, names. Okay, what I run this program, what if I run this program, what it going to print on the terminal? Anybody knows? It will going to print exactly what I will written on this one. Okay, it will going to print exactly what I will written or wrote in the name variable. Okay, let me run this program and see what happened. Just wait, our operating system is very slow, guys. Just wait a second, it will going to print. Okay, see here, Sudhakar, Pratap, and Kumari, Parvati, Parmeshwara are on the terminal. Okay, now we can also get individual elements in the list. For example, if I want to get the first element in this list, if I want to the first element in this list, then we can type a pair of square bracket inside this parenthesis. We will type the pair of square brackets. Inside the square bracket we can type an index called 0. Okay, the index of the first element in this list is 0, right? So when we run this program, we are going to see Sudhakar on the terminal. Okay, in Python we can also have the negative also. Let me run this program and see. The Sudhakar is going to print on the terminal. Okay, just wait few seconds, guys. Our operating system is very slow. I don't know why it happens. Okay, Sudhakar on the terminal, you can see, right? So in Python we also have the negative index in this future, guys. Okay, I personally have not seen in any other programming, guys. Okay, so if I represent the first element, or you can say I will set it to negative index, that is called -1, guys. Okay, what if I run this program, what it will going to print on the terminal? Anybody knows an idea? See, it will represent the last element in the list. The negative index will be there now. It will going to represent the last element in the list. Let's verify it. Let's run our program and see what happened. Okay, see here, the Parameshwara is going to print on the terminal, right? So what if I set it to -2? What do you going to think? What is the value of -2 here? It will going to print on the second element from this element, from the last item. It will, from the last item, it will go from this last second item is going to print on the terminal, guys. Okay, I will run this program. I will see Parvati on the terminal. Okay, let me show you. Okay, see here, the Parvati is going to print on the terminal, right? So this is how we will use the negative index in the list, guys. Okay, now we can also change an object at the given index. For example, let's say we have made mistake here. Just you can assume we have to made mistake from the first index, that is called Sudhakar. Now I want to make some changes here. Then names, then you will type names, and then we will pass here square bracket. We will pass the 0th index, then equal sign, or you can say some space. Now we will type here Sudhakar Reddy, SUDHAKARREDDY. Okay, now I will run this program. We are going to see the result is Sudhakar Reddy on the terminal. Just wait, our operating system is really slowed down. Once again I will run this program. We are going to get the result is, okay, it will going to print again the Parvati is on the terminal. Anybody knows why it happens? Because we will print -2 here. Okay, now I run this program. See what happened. Okay, just wait. Okay, see here, it will going to print Sudhakar Reddy here. Instead of Sudhakar, it will going to print Sudhakar Reddy. So this is how we can change an object at the given index. Okay, so this is the beauty of the Python, guys. Okay, now we can also select a range of values. For example, you want to select a range of object. We will say here, inside this one, add the square brackets. Inside the square bracket, we are going to add 2 indexes, guys. From first one is the starting index and second one is end index. Our first starting index is 0, then add the colon. We will say here 0th this is the 0th index, this is the first, and this is the second, right? We will say here we will add 3rd index. Now let's run our program. It will going to print 3 values only. Okay, just wait. Once again I will run our program. Okay, see here, our list is Sudhakar Reddy, Pratap and Kumari. So this is how we are going to study, how we are going to understand the list, guys. Okay, I think video will be getting lengthy, so I will stop here only. Bye bye, see you in the next video.